So, like in my own journey, I've also, done some mistakes, and wasted a lot of time in going in the wrong direction. So I always felt that I wish there could be someone who can guide me into the right direction so that I could have saved time. And it's always like you have two options basically. So one is that either you can try it on your own way and then you can learn from your mistakes, or there could be someone who can, guide you, and even before you make a mistake, the other person can share their experiences that don't do this and do that, because you can end up doing this mistake or not. One of the major problems that the mentees in Pesto feel is that they are like working side by side, so it's very difficult for them to do all the time management and stuff. Like in the beginning of a course, generally all mentees have this they in the initial few weeks they go through the curriculum very well, they keep up their pace. But as the curriculum moves forward, they started to sometimes they lack off. But then I have to consult with them, I have to talk with them that what's happening, how what is what I even go a little forward and discuss what is happening in their offices, what is happening in their companies. And then they tell me that this is right now I'm having this much of work pressure. Then sometimes it's not just about the Pesto curriculum, it's also about how I give them tips about how you can manage your time accordingly. And then yeah, I have seen a lot of change. If we compare the beginning of the curriculum and the end of the curriculum, I have seen a lot of change. Now they are very comfortable in learning things side by side as well as doing their regular jobs. So there is a phase where we go through concepts of algorithms and data structures. So most of the mentees that we had are working professionally, and in practical, in their daily work, they don't use algorithm and data structures. And even way before, when they have learned it during the college, they haven't practiced it enough. So most of the mentees have this fear around algo ds, how we will solve the questions. I'm not able to understand these things. So apart from the given work hours from the Pesto, that I have what I did with my mentees is that I set them to you know to learn it on your own. And if there is any doubt, just because you are feeling a little not much confident around it, so what I'll do is I'll give some extra classes. For example, in within a week, I'll give you 3 extra classes or 3 sessions, so that we can go through the your doubts and whatever they are. So what this did now, that just in order to take those extra sessions from me, they went on their own and they studied it, and they came up with some doubts, because my condition for them was that these extra sessions will only happen if there is any doubt. If there is no doubt, then I'll not provide these sessions. So they went ahead and then they learned it on your own, and then they asked me to arrange the session, and that's what happened. So I think that you have to understand your mentee and understand their specific needs, what their situation, because not everyone is same. Okay. And they have, some people are good with front end, some are good with back end, some are good with theoretical concepts. So you have to understand, and then you have to answer those questions, and guide them according to that.